Hello mga kakusina! Welcome po ulit sa inyo dito sa aking cooking channel, The Kusinera at its finest. Dahil cooking is life and food is life, panibagong pagluluto naman po kasama ko. So tara na! Let's start cooking! For today's recipe, tayo po ay magluluto ng Oligodang Lemon Chicken Wings. For the ingredients, kailangan po natin ng large size na chicken wings. Chinap ko po ito, diniscard ko po yung manipis na part, and ang itinira ko po ay yung flats at saka yung drumettes. Now, we will make the marinade. Now, I'm using lemon in a bottle. Now, it's up to you if you want to use freshly squeezed lemon juice. I prefer this kasi meron akong stock lagi, hindi ako nawawalan. And then, titimplahan natin ito ng salt. I'm using Himalayan, but you can use any type of salt. And then, we're gonna season it with freshly cracked white pepper. When you make the marinade, mga kakusina, just make sure it has a strong flavor. Kasi nga, ang purpose nito is para maglasa yung ating chicken wings. So, I tasted this and nag-aagaw na yung lasa ng asim from the lemon and salt. So, that is good to go. Let's add our chicken wings. Pagkalagay ng chicken wings, minasahe ko ng mga around 2 minutes itong ating chicken, and then I covered it with foil dahil ikikeep natin ito sa refrigerator overnight. So this is the next day mga kakusina, and our chicken wings have been marinating overnight, and kumuha lang ako ng strainer para mag-drip off yung excess marinade because we're gonna pan fry our chicken and kailangan na drain natin yung ating marinating liquid. Now, let's make the sauce. I am using oligodang. And for those who doesn't know what oligodang is, it's a syrup that Koreans use to make yangnyeom chicken. It's a thickening agent. It's a sweetener. It has the consistency of honey, but it's less fruity compared sa honey. And then I added lemon juice, and here I am adding finely minced ginger. Nagdagdag din ako ng konting nor seasoning to add a little bit of color to our oligodang lemon sauce. I started pan frying the chicken wings, mga kakusina. Sinimulan ko sa flats, and the pan frying method is just to give color to our chicken wings kasi ibibake pa natin ito mamaya. Sumunod naman na batch na pinan fry ko are the drumettes. After pan frying the drumettes, I added back the flats that we pan fried earlier, and then I'm gonna add the oligodang lemon sauce. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because I want the chicken to absorb the flavors of the ginger and the oligodang kasi may lasa na tong lemon. Now, pinakuluan ko lang ito sa mismong sauce niya around 5 minutes just to thicken the sauce up. And then, after that, I transfer the wings into baking pans kasi ibibake natin ito. So, when baking mga kakusina, magkakaramelize ngayon yung ating sauce na nahalo sa chicken, and that would produce a golden brown color sa ating chicken wings, just like this. Let's serve this up mga kakusina. So I plated this, and then I sprinkled chopped scallions for added color, and then meron tayong sauce on the side. This is the oligodang lemon sauce para habang kinakain mo siya, you can dip the chicken in the sauce. So that is it mga kakusina, isa na namang Kusinera recipe ang nailuto natin at na-share natin today. Now, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with your family and friends, and kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na para naabangan mo yung mga upcoming videos ko and recipes. Thanks again for watching mga kakusina. See you again on the next video. Bye now!